Welcome to solverfy.
Hello, welcome to this lesson. This lesson will determine whether each integral is convergent or divergent. The one that evaluates not to infinity will say they are convergent, and the ones that evaluate to infinity will say they are divergent. All right, so let's go on. The first thing that we do is that we have sine squared alpha. We can write it as 1 minus cos 2 alpha all on 2. Okay. So this becomes integral from 0 to infinity sine squared alpha d alpha. That would be equals to integral from 0 to infinity. We can bring the half out so that we have 1 minus cos 2 alpha. So we split it into two. We have half integral from 0 to infinity of the alpha, then minus half integral from 0 to infinity of cos 2 alpha d alpha. So now the first part we can have half, then the limit as b approaches infinity of integral from 0 to b, right, d alpha, right, then minus half again, the limit as b approaches infinity from 0 to b. Then we have cos 2 alpha d alpha. All right. So this c value is to have the limit as b approaches infinity of alpha evaluated from 0 to b, then minus this half. Okay. And let me bring the limit as b approaches infinity of, if we take the integral of cos 2 alpha, then we'll have sine 2 alpha on 2. So that we can write as 4, all right, from 0 to b. This is the integral from 0 to infinity of sine squared alpha d alpha. So here the first part evaluates to infinity, and the second part also. So here sine infinity is not defined, and also the limit as b approaches infinity of this does not actually exist. Okay. So now we say that therefore the integral from 0 to infinity sine squared alpha d alpha is divergent. Alright. Thanks for your time. This is the end of the lesson.